another Fly High for Fun production. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright guys, we're right back at it today. Did a little bit of adjustments to my far driver controller. And so I wanted to do another freeway speed test. So let's go ahead and try it out, guys, and see what we get. Last time I did this test, I think I was at 61 miles an hour. So I just wanted to see what those changes were that I made. So let's go ahead and test it out, guys, and see how it is. Now the speedometer is on my CT22 display. I still need to make an adjustment to that. It's not giving us the total accurate speed, so we're going to use our Ulysses GPS. We're going to test it out. See how this goes, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you saw that. Looks like we reached 76 miles per hour. 76 miles per hour, guys. Just broke a new top speed. Woo! So excited, man. Man, this thing is super fast. It'll be real interesting to see what the GPS captured on the speed on the GoPro. I saw on my phone, I looked down for a split moment, the screen was red, and I could have sworn I saw 75 miles per hour, guys, on the Stealth Bomber today. Far driver controller, looks like I turned it up a little bit too much, guys. 75 is extremely fast. I think I might leave it that way for a little while just to kind of get used to that, but I may even have to turn it down a little bit because, I mean, guys, that is like, whoo! I can't believe it. So let's get back to the house, guys, and let's check it out.